Hey, it's Regina from Eat Travel Life. Today we are making the best fluffy chocolate chip cookies. Let's go ahead and get started. Here are the ingredients that you're going to need. Go ahead and start out by taking your softened butter and adding in your sugars and your white sugars, and we are going to want to cream that until it is beautiful. It will look something like this once it's done. The secret to great cookies is to let them mix and blend and get all of those sugars melted a bit. And then we're going to add in our baking soda, our cornstarch, and our salt and mix those in, and then blend in the eggs. You're going to want to also make sure you scrape down the bowl as well. Add in the vanilla with your heart, and then go ahead and add in your chocolate chips. We are adding semi-sweet this time, and one at a time we're going to add in a cup of flour, let it mix, and then add in the next cup of flour. Your dough will look like this. We're going to need to chill it, and then we're going to need to put it into balls and bake that at 375 for about 13 minutes for a soft cookie. And here we are putting in a test batch just to make sure, and look, they're perfect. You want to get them a little golden brown. You can let them cool a little bit before you remove them from your baking sheet, and then you can go ahead and wash, rinse, repeat, and look at just how delicious and soft those cookies are. Thanks so much for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe. Have a great day.